Today I'm going to show you how to access the Clever portal. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Trotwood Madison City School District's website. I'm going to do this by Googling Trotwood Madison City Schools. Once you get here, you'll want to click the link to the website. In this banner across the top of the screen, you'll want to hover over the Students tab. Underneath, you'll see Student Resources. Click that. You'll scroll down the page and you'll find Clever Resources in the middle. You'll want to click that. Once you've gotten to the Clever login screen, I tell people to bookmark this page so you don't have to go through the Trotwood City Schools homepage to find Clever. Your bookmark will be stored here under the address bar. If you have a lot of bookmarks already made, you'll see a double arrow off to the right here, and you'll click that and you'll find a list of all your bookmarks. To log in, you're going to want to log in with Google. Once you click that, you'll see a list of names or no names, depending on if you've done this before. You may see your parent's name or maybe your brother or sister's name. You want to make sure you log into your school account or your child's school account. You'll want to click Add Another User, Add Account. Your child's email address will be their last name followed by their lunch number. This is a 5-digit code that has been given to them. The @ symbol, Trotwood, period, K-12, period, OH, period, US. Again, that's their last name, their lunch number, followed by the @ Trotwood, period, K-12, period, OH, period, US. You'll click Next and enter their password. Depending on what building they're at in our school will determine their password. If for some reason you're unable to find out their password, you may log in a different way. This alternative login method will be done at the same Clever Apps login, but this time you will click Login with Clever. You will need their lunch number, a unique 5-digit code, and the password will be capital T, capital M, capital R, AMS. And that will also get them logged into the Clever portal. Once you're inside of the Clever portal, it'll look like this. And you will find all the applications needed to complete your distance learning. Applications that are in Clever that you'll use will be iReady. Here, the cube. You'll also find Google Classroom, this green icon. You'll find things in here like Epic Reading or AR, and then other apps that the district is using. For summer school, you will be using iReady. You'll be using Reading Horizons, and you'll be using Google Classroom. I will put a video up on how to use Google Classroom also if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.